Okay, one button, first one. This is I just cleared everything by pushing the 2 doubles. So next is, I gotta program it to the first button. So I'm gonna hold. Okay, and that one's already gone, so I'm gonna do this. Got it. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. So the second one, I am going to, that one is also there. So I'm gonna hold that. This is the second garage door opener. Got it. That one didn't work. So I'm gonna hold that down. No, I don't know why it just flashed in there. Okay, now I'm gonna hold that down. Okay. Okay. It's working. Okay. 2024 GLE with the Chamberlain 3.0 security. No use of the learn button. And I think resetting the head unit and pulling the battery and then plugging it back in again might have helped. The wall button was either not on or flashing a little bit. Now it's solid amber, so maybe that's a difference. Anyways, hope that helps.